Bryant's legacy lives on through Nike's dynamic cross-sport storytelling, as seen in the upcoming FC Barcelona x Nike Kobe 4 Protro. Slated for a late 2025 release in both adult and kids sizes, this striking pair blends basketball heritage with football fandom. Inspired by FC Barcelona's 2025-26 away kit, the sneaker arrives in a team gold, black, Persian Violet palette. Cream-toned uppers with textured overlays are paired with Persian Violet liners and outsoles, while black gradients on the swoosh and heel add dramatic flair. Barcelona's crest appears on the tongue and insole, cementing the collaboration's theme. Beyond the footwear, a coordinating apparel line, featuring both lifestyle and performance gear, is set to complement the release. This isn't the only sports-inspired Kobe product this year. A rumored LA Dodgers-themed Nike Kobe 6 hints at more tributes ahead. This edition of the Kobe 4 Protro reflects Bryant's international influence and Nike's continued innovation in storytelling.